Let's be honest, work can be stressful, but how much is too much? Welcome to our presentation on occupational stress. Today we're diving into why this invisible problem is so widespread and, more importantly, how creating healthier work environments can help us all thrive, both mentally and physically. Ready to uncover the secrets to a stress-free workplace? Let's get started. Imagine this. Deadlines are looming, your inbox is overflowing, and it feels like there's no end in sight. That overwhelming feeling? That's occupational stress. It happens when the demands of work outweigh your ability to cope, leading to burnout, poor health, and even decreased productivity. But not all stress is the same. Acute stress is like a sudden storm. It comes out of nowhere, hits hard, but passes quickly. Think last-minute tasks or a tight deadline. Chronic stress, though, is like a slow, steady drizzle. It builds over time and can deeply impact your mental and physical well-being if left unchecked. Understanding these differences is the first step toward taking control. So, how do we tackle it? Stay tuned.
Do you know? Workplace stress and mental health issues are significant challenges both in Malaysia and globally. In Malaysia, 67% of employees report burnout, making it one of the highest globally. Depression and anxiety are also prevalent, with 15% of Malaysian workers affected by these conditions. Stress levels are high worldwide, with 41% of workers reporting elevated stress. These statistics highlight the urgent need for organizations to prioritize mental health support and create healthier work environments for employees.
All right, let's play detective. What's causing all this stress? We've got two main suspects. Internal factors. That's you, your mindset, beliefs, and habits. Maybe you're a perfectionist or have self-doubt holding you back. External factors. This is your workplace, tight deadlines, toxic relationships, or even job insecurity. It's a 1-2 punch, and the more we understand these factors, the better we can fight back. Stick with me. We're uncovering the solution soon. Breaking it down. Now, let's zoom in on what's really piling up the stress. Too many tasks? Confusing job descriptions? That's like running a marathon. A toxic boss or poor communication? Yeah, that's like trying to swim with a brick tied to your leg. Job insecurity? Limited growth? Or a zero work-life balance? These are ticking time bombs for stress. But here's the thing. When we identify these triggers, we can start making changes. Let's not just talk about it. Let's act on it.
Let's talk about stress affects all of us in various ways, but how exactly does it impact our health? First, stress takes a toll on our physical health. It can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and even weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to illness. Stress doesn't stop at our body. It deeply affects our mind. It can cause depression, anxiety, and make it harder to focus or concentrate on daily tasks. Finally, stress influences our behavior. It may increase absenteeism at work, reduce job performance, and even lead to conflicts with others. Next, understanding stress in the workplace starts with using the right investigative tools. The first tool is workplace stress surveys. These questionnaires help assess stress levels among employees, providing insights into how widespread the issue is. Next, interviews and focus groups help determine specific workplace stressors by encouraging open communication. These discussions can reveal patterns and pinpoint areas that need attention. Lastly, health screenings are essential for tracking physical symptoms related to stress. They provide measurable data to assess the impact of stress on employees' health.
Let's talk about how we can tackle workplace stress, like pros. First, workload and communication. Ditch the chaos and aim for balance. Set realistic goals and keep the conversations flowing, because teamwork works wonders. Next, support and culture. It's all about creating a safe space. Counseling programs and flexible options can turn stress into success. And finally, self-care and resilience. It's your secret weapon. Master your time, treat yourself to some self-care, and don't hesitate to ask for help. With these strategies, we're not just managing stress, we're rewriting the rules of a happy, productive workplace.
Conclusion and call to action. So, here's the deal. Occupational stress isn't just part of the job, it's a solvable problem. What can you do? Start small, prioritize self-care, set boundaries, and don't be afraid to speak up. What can your company do? Create a culture of empathy, set realistic expectations, and foster open communication. Together, we can turn stress into success. Let's build workplaces where people thrive, not just survive. Thank you, and let's make this change happen, starting today.